7 Strong Signals of Business Environment Reform in Vietnam. Historical context: Vietnam's economy was centrally planned until the late 1980s. The Doi Moi renovation policy in 1986 marked a major shift toward a market-oriented system. Business reforms started selectively, now accelerating with clearer pro-private sector signals. Politburo Resolution No. 68, May 2025, Vietnam declares the private sector as the key driver of the national economy. Core goals: protect private assets, ensure fair competition, simplify procedures, promote sustainability, digitization, and global integration. Ambitious targets for 2030 and 2045. By 2030, 2 million private enterprises, at least 20 globally competitive companies, 55 to 58% of GDP from private sector, 35 to 40% of tax revenue from private firms, over 85% of jobs created by private sector, labor productivity growth, 8.5 to 9.5% per year. By 2045, 3 million private companies, contributing over 60% of GDP. Legal institutional reforms: strengthen legal framework, remove contradictions and overlaps in laws, improve contract enforcement and dispute resolution, better protection of intellectual property rights, IPR, provide clarity on foreign ownership rights. Administrative procedure simplification, reduce time and cost for business registration, simplify tax filing, customs clearance, digitize public services, licensing, compliance reporting, online portals. Market access competitive equality, reduce advantages for state-owned enterprises, SOEs. Enforce a level playing field for all business entities, expand access to capital, venture funds, IPOs, PPPs, open up sectors like logistics, renewable energy, and digital services. Investment-worthy sectors: high-tech, electronics assembly, AI, automation, RD, semiconductors, green energy infrastructure, solar, wind, LNG power, digital economy, e-commerce, fintech, digital logistics, healthcare education, growing private demand, SOE divestment, telecom, construction, banking opportunities. Strategic advice for investors: stay updated on Vietnam's reform policies, build strong relationships with local partners, seize early mover advantages as reforms take effect, prepare for long-term market positioning. Vietnam's reform is strategic, not cosmetic. Resolution 68 positions private enterprise at the heart of future development, a rare alignment of political will, policy clarity, and growth potential, a red carpet for global investors.